In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your favorite operators here in Rainbow Six Mobile. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by tapping on your profile icon up in the top left corner of the screen from the main menu, and what this will do is open up your player profile page. Now, once you're on your player profile screen, you're going to see two different sections on here. You're going to see favorite attacker and, of course, favorite defender as well. Each one's going to have its own icon over here. As you can see, if I select one, it's going to go ahead and change just like so. Essentially, tap the icon either attacking force or defending team. I'm going to do attacker real quick, and then of course you can go ahead and set whoever you want. For example, sledge, just like so. Then you just got to hit set as favorite. From here, you could do the exact same thing for defender. We'll put smoke on and then set it as a favorite. And to change it, you just got to open it up again, change a new one, and then set that one as a favorite. And as you can see, it auto updates. It really is as simple as that. That is, you could change your favorite operators here in Rainbow Six Mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.